Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I'm going to teach you binomial products. Of course, you can download the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me if you like. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. So to expand these brackets, so what we do, we just follow the process. So let's go through first one first. So we have x times x. So let me just write this down. X times x will give me x squared. So let me just write this down. That equal x squared. And then we go x times 3. X times 3. So x times 3 is 3x. So just write this down. 3x means plus 3x. And what we do, we go this way. So 5 times x. So 5 times x is 5x. So let me just write this down. 5x means plus 5x. And then we go 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So that means plus 15. What we do now is we just collect the like terms, okay? So the like terms are, we have 3x and we have 5x. So we just collect them. So 3 plus 5 is 15. So that is 15x. And the rest, I just write this down. So I have x squared plus 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8x. And plus 15. There you go. Second one. Same manners. So we just go x times x is equal to x squared. And we go x times negative 2. So that means negative 2 times x. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. So we just write this down, become minus 2x here. And now we go 6 times x. So 6 times x is 6x. That means we plus 6x. 6x means plus 6x. Then we go 6 times negative 2. So 6 times negative 2. So that gives me negative 12. Otherwise, you can just put that in a calculator. 6 times negative 2. So you should get negative 12. So the answer is minus 12. So now I just collect the like terms. So the like terms are minus 2x and plus 6x. So negative 2 plus 6 is same as 6 minus 2, which is 4. So that is 4x. And I just write the rest down. So x squared. And I go plus 4x and then minus 12. There you go. Third one. So remember, a squared is equal to a times a. So therefore, 2x minus 7 all square, that is exactly as same as 2x minus 7 and 2x minus 7. So now we just expand normally like this. 2x times 2x. So we have 2x times 2x. And we go 2 times 2 will give me 4. And then x times x. So we have x times x. So that will give me x squared. So that will give me 4x squared. So 4x squared. And now we go 2x times negative 7. So I just write here 2x times negative 7. And then positive times negative, give me a negative. And then 2 times 7, which is 2 times 7, because I will write the negative down. So give me 14 and the x out. Otherwise, you can just use your calculator with number. 2 times negative 7 should give me negative 14. And the x, just write it down. That means we have minus 14x. And now we just go minus 7 or negative 7 times 2x. So negative 7 times 2 is 14, but negative. So negative 14 and x. Don't forget. And we have negative 7 times negative 7. So negative 7 times negative 7 is equal to positive 49. So I just write 49, but it's a plus. There you go. So now we just collect the like terms. So the like terms are, we have negative 14x and negative 14x. That means minus 14x minus another 14x. So that means 28x, but it's negative. Otherwise, you just put on the calculator negative 14 minus 14. Okay, so it give you negative 28. So let me just write this down. So that will give me 4x squared first, and then we minus 28x, and the 49, I just write this down. There you go. Next one. Again, same process, okay? So we just go 2x. So we just go 2x times x. So 2x times x is 2x squared. So I just write this down, 2x squared. And then we go 2x times negative 5. I just go the same as negative 5 times 2x. And we just go with numbers, which is times together. So negative 5 times 2. So negative and a positive, you get a negative answer. And 2 times 5 is 10. And then x, we just write this down. Otherwise, you can just put in the calculator, negative 5 times 2. Yeah, and you should get negative 10. So therefore, the answer is negative 10x. So that means we write it down. Minus 10x. And then we go 3 times x. 3 times 6 is 3x. That means plus 3x, okay? Positive 3. So 3x. And then we go 3 times negative 5. So negative times a positive give you a negative. So just write this down. And 3 times 5 is 15. Again, not sure. Put on your calculator. 5 times negative 3 or 3 times negative 5. Doesn't matter. Okay? So you should get negative 15. Now I just collect like terms. So this here is like terms. So negative 10 plus 3 should give you negative 7. So we go equal to 2x squared, and then this minus 7x, and then the negative 15, just write minus 15. There you go. Next one. So we expand exactly the same manners, okay? So we go 3 times 3x. So 3 times 3x, 3 times 3x is equal to, so we have 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So just write 9 down. This x is right down. So give me 9x. And then we go 3 times negative 5. So 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So just write this down. Minus 15. And we go negative 2x times 3x. So just write that down here. Negative 2x times 3x. Then we have negative 2 times 3. So negative and a positive times together, you should get a negative. And 2 times 3 is 6. So just write 6 down. And now we have x times x. X, and we time with x. So x times x is x squared. So we just write x squared. So the answer is minus 6x squared. Then we go 2x, but negative 2x, okay? Don't forget. So negative 2x, we times negative 5. And 2 negative times together, and you get a positive answer. Then you go 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. And the x, we just write this down. Otherwise, you can just put on your calculator negative 2 times negative 5. And you should get a 10. That means 10x. So 10x means plus 10x. There you go. So now we just collect the like terms. So the like terms are 9x and 10x. So in another word, 9 plus 10 is 19. So that becomes 19x. And the rest, we just write this down. So 15 and minus 6x squared. There you go. That's the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.